Hi, today in front of your REALME 9 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone volume panel. Just to mute ringtone, you should slide to the left side ringtone volume panel, and that's it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that with the help of the volume buttons. But first, we should go to advanced settings to volume button function and switch media volume to the ringtone one. And now with the help of the down volume button, we also get the possibility to just mute ringtone volume, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.